Mainly what I did, when in those days, as I would get sent out, for example, to the Prahran Magistrates Court, and you'd sit in your office, and anybody who, and so it was, they were minor cases, and they were always where they pleaded guilty. If they pleaded not guilty, you briefed it out. And mainly shoplifters, minions of shoplifters. And because it was a Prahran Magistrates Court, of course, as well, thousands of bail applications for junkies who'd been picked up over the weekend. You'd go in on the Monday morning in the cells at Prahran, they'd all be in there screeching away. And at first, I used to be terrible. I said, these poor, poor people. And I'd ring up and try desperately to get bail. And then, you'd ring up and they said, ring my Aunt Rosa. She'll get me out. And you say, oh, Aunt, Mrs. So-and-so, Gino's in jail and, I don't want to know him. Last time I came out, he stole my wedding ring and sell it the next day and I don't care. And you come back and say, Aunt Rosa says she's not going to, she's an old fucking bitch, It was very funny. And the shoplifters were really funny too because what would happen is you do there weren't a lot of duty solicitors on duty each day, so you do millions of appearances. And so I'd be taking down my instructions from one shoplifter and the call had come out saying, the name of someone else who I had already taken instructions from. So it was really difficult to remember which shoplifter was who. And I remember on one occasion getting up and making a very impassioned plea for someone. I'd got all the fact situations. It was my next shoplifter off the rank. But it was a sensational grounding because, you'd be halfway through instructions from one person, you'd go into court, do a plea, come up, pick up where you left on. Bit sausage machine-y sometimes, but I really enjoyed it.